Hello, I'm Laura Guerreiro, and I'm here today to talk with Aviv Kaufmann, an ESG lab analyst about SolidFire's storage solution for the next generation enterprise data center. Hi Aviv, thanks for joining me today.
Great to be here.
Aviv, are public cloud services having an effect on enterprise IT organizations?
Absolutely. Enterprise organizations were quick to adopt public cloud services, and they realized great benefits, mainly around cost savings, but also around reducing complexity and just making people more productive. But now people have become accustomed to the cloud experience and have begun to demand the same level of service and functionality from the internal IT departments. Traditional architectures just can't do it. To get there, enterprises will need to leverage next-generation technologies.
So what is SolidFire?
Well, SolidFire is an all-flash, scale-out iSCSI and fiber channel storage array. Each SolidFire node runs the Element OS and contains 10 2.5-inch flash drives. Node models vary in capacity and performance. The system was designed from the ground up with a goal of creating a storage system that's agile, automated, and scalable to meet the unpredictable demands of the next-generation enterprise data center. SolidFire offers guaranteed performance, high availability, and a low total cost of ownership.
So tell me a little bit about your testing.
Sure. After a simple installation, we tested SolidFire's automated management and provisioning capabilities. The SolidFire's GUI is simple and easy to use, and an open RESTful API makes it simple to integrate and automate self-provisioning of storage from nearly any application. We were able to quickly and easily provision volumes with advanced performance QoS settings from the SolidFire GUI, as well as from within VMware View, vCenter, and OpenStack. We were able to simply and non-disruptively grow a SolidFire array by adding a node to a mixed node cluster. The data was automatically redistributed across the nodes according to the capacity and performance capabilities to ensure the proper balance. We then used a 4-node cluster to simulate a node fault when running a mixed workload. There was minimal impact to the workload as the system's self-healing capability rebuilt the data across the surviving 3 nodes. When the node was reinserted, the data was automatically rebalanced across all 4 nodes. Data is stored on a SolidFire array is always thin provisioned, compressed, and globally deduplicated. This means you can deploy less raw storage capacity to meet your storage requirement. While your mileage will vary, we looked at some real data from real-world deployments. Over the past month, this production VMware deployment was consistently able to improve the effective capacity of the storage by more than 12x. And this efficiency helps in SolidFire's semi-synchronous replication solution as well. Because the data is stored efficiently at both sites, the actual data that must be replicated is kept to a minimum. We saw this in action. Failing over and failing back between replication partners was very quick and very easy. SolidFire gives you the ability to set minimum and maximum performance levels per volume, and a credit-based burst mechanism allows for a little extra performance when you need it. While other solutions may simply give higher priority to one volume over another, SolidFire's QoS guarantees that each volume will receive the minimum number of IOPS required. We saw this in our testing by measuring the impact of a VDI boot storm on a mission-critical database. With no QoS, the database volume was greatly impacted by the boot storm, while using QoS guaranteed the database the appropriate level of performance with no impact.
That's great. Can you tell us why all of this matters to the business?
Sure. SolidFire has been anticipating the needs of the next-generation enterprise data center since its inception. They bring the public cloud experience to an enterprise organization with a focus on agility, guaranteed performance, automated management, high availability, and inline efficiency. This translates to lower capital expenses, lower operational expenses, and the ability to dynamically adjust to meet the changing demands of the business. In the end, SolidFire technology enables the transformation of enterprise IT from a rigid cost center into an agile service center. If your organization is frustrated with the limitations of traditional storage for scale-out workloads, and you're striving to deliver IT as a service from the next-generation enterprise data center, ESG Labs strongly recommends that you consider SolidFire for the enterprise.
This has been very informative. Thank you again for your time. If you'd like to learn more, you can download the full ESG Lab report from the SolidFire website.